guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamaica 2 times, and I'm back with another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Bobbi Boss JAEL in the color Rosemary. This is what she looks like on the stock card. While I had originally wanted this wig for Valentine's Day for obvious reasons, the colors out everywhere in every different style. So I finally was able to get my hands on it for Easter. So this is what I'm wearing. If you look on Google, there are different styles. So you can get like one with looser curls or 4 other styles in this. You just will have to type in Bobbi Boss Rosemary, like the color, and they'll come up. But this wig is nice. 13x4 parting. It is big head friendly, so the lace does go ear to ear, which I love because I normally have to play tug of war with my wigs. It does have free parting, so I chose to go with the middle because I'm a beginner and it's easier, but you could curve it and get like a deep side part. The only thing is that the tracks do start like right about here, so the curve kind of have to be like this, so it wouldn't be that deep, but it will still be like, you know. Natural baby hairs, which it did come with, but I made my own, and pre-plucked hair, and that was true also. So it does have realistic density. Like I said, you guys, I don't have none in the back. I have everything pushed to the front because that's how I like to wear my wigs, with everything to the front. And it's pretty long. I'm about 6 foot, so if I stood up, it will come, you know, like under my chest. But it's very thick, y'all. And my hands through it since I put it on with my rings on. So, you know, you could brush it if you want more defined curls, or you can kind of like, you know, leave it bushy. I personally love big hair, so that's what I choose to do, kind of leave it big. The bigger the better. So I paid about $35-ish on Amazon for this wig. It did come in within 2 days because of Amazon Prime, but you can go to other websites. All you have to do is just Google the wig, and then all the websites that have it available will pull it up for you. But if you're in a rush, go to Amazon. Bobbi Boss always eats with the color. I like trying new, exciting, fun colors, and Bobbi Boss is definitely that girl, because who has money to be buying a human hair wig just to wear a colored wig for maybe like a few days to a week, when you can just buy a $30 wig and go to your event, find something that matches it, and, you know, you spend less money. So that's really what I'm on right now. I used to be into like watercoloring wigs and dyeing wigs, but I saw that it really was like a waste of money, because if it's not like a black or natural color hair and I'm not going to wear it long term, it's a waste of money. But yeah, I will give this wig a 10 out of 10 per usual. You guys should go try this color out. They do have it in natural colors as well if you like the curl pattern but don't want this color. It does take heat. I was hot combing. As you guys probably saw in the install video, I was hot combing the top of it. I set my hot comb at about 350-ish. I wouldn't really go over 400 for any synthetic wig. But yeah, if you want to get that part flat, I used a wax stick. And that was it, really. Nice, easy install. So let me know in the comments what color I should try next, which brand I should try next, because I always try the same brands, which are Bobbi Boss and Sensational. There are other wig brands out there, but these are the 2 that I'm familiar with. So give me some ideas, y'all, what y'all want to see. Bye.